Hey, what's up? This is Jose.
And this is Thania.
We're back at it again. Last month was Tania's birthday.
I decided to do a Harry Potter theme because I've been wanting to do it ever since I was a little kid because
Ravenclaw!
No, put that down. Okay, Hufflepuffs are better. Everyone knows that.
It's all about Ravenclaw. It's all about Ravenclaw.
We wanted to make a Harry Potter party that is affordable and easy to DIY for everyone because all of the Harry Potter parties that I saw on blogs were like super expensive.
Too pricey. So we're gonna do it on the cheap.
Yes. To start off my platform 9 3/4 wall, I'm gonna measure out the door where people are gonna be entering.
Now it's time to cut the tablecloth to the measurements of the door.
What I'm doing is I'm laying down the brick for this tablecloth from the 9 3/4 entrance. So now I'm halfway done, but this morning when we took Loki out to walk, he ran in here and he made some holes inside the tablecloth. But we're just gonna go along with it. We're just gonna patch it up with some tape because I'm not gonna do this whole thing again. We hung it up and there you go, the 9 3/4 entrance. We also bought this wall decoration at the dollar store just to make it feel a little bit more like a castle. What I'm gonna do right now is potions, and Tania got these cool glasses only for like $1 each at Goodwill. We like to be cheap. This glass came with a top that was white, but I spray painted it gold just to give it more of like a potion-y looking feel to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this orange because I noticed that if I put yellow, it starts looking like pee. Yeah, it just looks like someone really dehydrated peed into this bottle. So I'm gonna make it orange. And to make it look like a legit potion bottle, we got these labels here that we printed out. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them out and put it on the bottle. This is the side we're gonna use, and we're just gonna put some Elmer's glue on it. This is washable Elmer's glue. If you want to reuse these bottles, you can. You just have to use some water to wash it off. After a semester of potions class with Snape, these came out pretty good.
So I decided I'm going to make 4 banners representing each house. I have all the colors for the houses, and I got these really cheap at the craft store. I got them for $3 a yard. So I decided just to take my old Amazon cardboard, make a template, very simple. I'm gonna start tracing out my shape. Now it's time to cut. Oh, crap. I'm supposed to cut around it, 1 inch around it. Ah! Okay, so I have to start over again. This is why I get 2 yards of fabric, because I will mess things up like this. This time I'm gonna cut it the right way, leaving 1 inch all around my template. This is to allow a seam allowance. I think that's what it's called. I'm new to the sewing world.
Once you have your fabric cut out, you can start pinning it down because it makes it much easier to work with on the sewing machine. I'm still very new to all of this, but I think it's coming along great.
Yay, my banners are done. I'm so happy. I'm happy with it.
Now we can cut out the house crest that we printed out. Then we'll use permanent double-sided tape to make sure they stick on. Check out our blog link below to download the designs I used here. It's really looking like Hogwarts now, don't you think?
We ordered a few things for the party, and we just got the packages right now. Go ahead and rip that open. Nice. It's a shirt of my house, Ravenclaw. The best house, of course. How does it look, babe?
Looks nice.
Let me try to do that thing that YouTubers do. Didn't work. All right, I'm gonna try something else. Let's see. It worked.
Barely.
There we go.
This we bought really last minute, so what it is? Ah, look at Hedwig! Woohoo! Wait, cuckoo? No, hoo-hoo! I stole this cage from my mom. She had it just laying around, and so we spray painted it gold. And this is Hedwig's cage.
Nice.
Look, he has a little Hogwarts letter.
Nice.
Aww, he's saving it for Harry.
But we have him here trapped, so he can't get to Harry anymore.
Oh my god, Jesus.
I'm also helping Tania with the golden snitch. It's just very common. You take Rochelle chocolates, draw the wings first. So let me show you the process here. This is definitely not good. Then Tania thought she could show me up by doing some weird dead chicken wing and some weird cloud. I don't know what the hell that is. So I finally did what she said, I think, which is this swoosh thing that she wanted to do. just fold paper in half and get crayon and just do this around your master copy. And then just cut. It doesn't have to be perfect. And it should come out like this when you unfold it and cut it. And then you have a bunch of wings. You just put a little bit of hot glue. And then you stick this little buddy. And there you go. A little golden Snitches.
Next, we're gonna make our very own chocolate frogs. So we have a glass bowl on top of a pot of boiling water, and that's gonna melt the chocolates inside.
Once you got the chocolate all melted, we're gonna start pouring it into the mold.
Ooh, oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Get Loki out of here.
Loki, get out of here.
I don't think we're doing it right. People said to just like tap the tray like that.
Then we'll put it in the freezer overnight, and then look! They're ready to jump off the plate.
Here we go, making the candles now. All you do is grab some paper, roll it up, tape it, use something to weigh down the candle, and string some fish line through it.
Oh my god.
And once you're done with it, you're just gonna put the little candle and stuff it in there. And there we go, it's done. It's a floating candle. After doing this 25 more times, we started hanging it up. It took a long time, but you know what? It was worth it. Check it out. It looks awesome. Just like the Great Hall. Now it's time to hang all the letters coming out of the chimney. The TV is gonna be the chimney. And I got my fishing line here, and I'm gonna just tape the fishing line coming from the top of the roof. Now I'm gonna put on the letters. Each letter has our guests' names. This one says Harry Potter. Yeah.
He's coming.
And there you go. Ooh.
It's the day before and I realized I don't have anything Hufflepuff to wear, so I decided to make my very own Hufflepuff scarf out of felt. Now I'm just gonna sew this scarf together, put a Hufflepuff logo on top of it, and wear it. And this will be my house colors.
Just to add that party touch, we bought this at Walmart. It's easy and it was cheap. We like to be cheap.
We're adding the finishing touches, and we've opened the Chamber of Secrets.
I grabbed all my books that I collected since I was 12 and I set them up like decor.
And it looks really nice. I liked it.
I still can't believe how we managed to pull this off only in a few weeks and under $100 budget. It looks freaking magical and it was affordable. All of the decorations are done, the guests are arriving, and it is time for them to compete for their houses. Gryffindor was off to a good start, getting all the points, unfortunately. But little did they know the underdog was gonna come and get the prize. Even the Ravenclaws thought they had this in the bag, but you should never underestimate a Hufflepuff because they will beat you at Flip Cup. And of course, it's no surprise that the Hufflepuffs won the House Cup.
Congratulations, Hufflepuff.
And we gotta give it to our honorable mentions. Slytherins, Gryffindors, and the rowdy Ravenclaws.
Cake was made especially by my friends Alex and Eric. You guys should come and see. So happy. I'm gonna remember this birthday for a very long time, and it's all because I was surrounded by the people who I love the most in this world. So I hope this inspires you to make your very own Harry Potter party for Halloween or your birthday party, any time of the year.
Do something fun, don't make it boring.
Make it magical. We want to give a big shout out to one of our subscribers. Her name is Ashley. We actually met her last year at Phoenix Comic Con while I was wearing my Sirena costume. And since then, we've kept in touch, and she actually just made an Instagram page for us. And we're really flattered by that because we're like, What the heck?
Didn't expect it.
Yeah, like a fan page. So we want to give a
was
big
cool.
shout out to her.
Yeah, thanks a lot for doing that for us. We appreciate it.
Yeah, so
shout out to you.
We'll leave the Instagram fan page link below.
I want to thank all of you for being part of Tania's birthday this year, making it extra special.
Yes, it made me so happy to see everyone just having so much fun, and this is something I've always wanted since I was a little kid, and so to make it possible and Jose to spend so much time, and we spent
a lot of time
making this, so thank you so much.
No
thank
problem,
you for
babe. Of course, anything for Tania. The question of the day is, who's your house? Mine is the awesome Ravenclaw.
All right, go away. And mine is, well, I don't have a shirt for it, but I'm a Hufflepuff. No. Hufflepuffs are the best, and we won all those games, so let us know what is your house in the comments below.
I'm just kidding. Hufflepuffs are cool too, but Ravenclaws are better.
No. All right, guys, so I hope you guys liked this video, and until next time.
Later.
Knox!